Oh, look at that. Look, dude.
You guys live here?
Sorry?
You guys live here?
Nope.
No.
I just want to light from what?
No, we're just filming Gananoque. Yeah.
For that.
In today's episode, we're exploring the Parmenter and Bulloch factory. The building was established in 1869, producing screws, bolts, and even aircraft materials for both world wars. This factory had over 20,000 bombs and aluminum rivets. After 145 years of the facility being open, it was permanently closed in 2009 for the cause of mold and asbestos. So join us as we explore this factory and see what the remains of this place are. There's machinery in there. That's cool. There's people working on the building right next to us as we explore this generating station.
What?
I'm trying to get them. You go first. Be careful. Don't make a fucking noise.
Oh,
What do you think that is? Just a fan? So much junk everywhere. In his chair. It's pretty modern for an abandoned place. Is that a bed? Go close to the right? Yeah, it is. But no, there's so much history here. Look at this chair.
Super Body Boot Camp. Is there a fucking... Oh my god. Sam, there's a DVD in here.
Let's head over to the next one. Yo, there's a computer. Why is there so many doors? There's so many doors, bro. Is that like a seat? What is this? Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Yo.
Where are they?
I don't know. Looks like a fucking sensor.
But they made it pretty damn clear that we're not allowed here. So.
Oh, yeah. No, I think it is a sensor. Oh wow, look. Yo. Yo, we're meeting so much friends, man. All these people, and it's just Ontario, like, in general. I don't know, it's some piping system, though. So much trash, though. That's the bad thing about this. It's crazy how big this place still is.
What do you mean that? You think it's gonna shrink?
No, like, I thought they would demolish, like, parts of it because how bad the thing is.
If they really demolished parts of it, they demolished the whole thing.
Because you seen the crate in the front? Well, that's where all the pieces were. Dude, it smells like someone just lit something. Holy.
Use your flashlight. I like how yours is huge. I'm just using this tiny thing.
Oh, wow. I got a good shot. His button's there. It's 01136.
Think you can get up?
No. I wouldn't trust it. There's a basement here.
Oh, is that boarded up over here?
Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm surprised it's still open. Umbrella. Okay, that's gonna in there. Look at this door. This way. Be careful, because it might be actually homeless now.
Imagine if you were fireman and it just falls right through.
Yeah, no. This is another entrance to it. What is that? Weird. Another entrance to the roof. There's a bed here. There's a truck. Hold on. That's the original wallpaper. Look at the light switch too. There. And look at the flooring too. There's pigeon feathers everywhere. Oh my goodness. It's 2 of them. 3. So why is this?
I don't know. I have no idea.
They took a window. They took a window from there, I think. See? I think that would have been there.
Holy shit, that's a lot of water.
Oh, it's cool.
There's another room of the water too.
What the hell? Why is there a military thing in a factory? TV or something? Let's go this way first. Yo, is this a bathroom?
Maybe.
What does that say?
Thousand Islands History Museum.
Wow. A chair. We finished exploring the room, so now we're exploring the rooftop and then leaving the property because we heard some locals. Singer 2000s DVD. It's in the wrapping. I don't know what this is, but it's in some Chinese. Oh wow. Well, not bad for graffiti.